Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to fix your Glorious Model O software device is disconnected. So as you can see right here, I'm in the website in Glorious Desk Help, and then here this is their actual fix to it. So all you have to do is download this zip file, which we're going to leave in the description box for you to download. So all you have to do is click right here and download it, and then open the extracted folder, and then click the auto online upgrade, and then an installation window will come out, and then you will see the waiting message, and then the firmware will update for your mouse, and then you're gonna have to simply unplug it and plug the same USB port again and start the Glorious software. From there it's gonna say waiting, and then it's gonna update it to your latest firmware update, where it will remove the device's disconnected message in your mouse. And it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.